Don't buy a mirror dashcam until you watch this video. Please watch until the end, because today I'm counting down the top 5 best mirror dashcams of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one offers the best overall value for your money. Whether you're looking for crystal clear 4K recording, reliable parking surveillance, advanced driver assistance, or the best night vision, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right mirror dashcam without wasting your money. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. 4K Rear View Mirror Camera. The 4K rear view mirror camera is an excellent entry-level choice for drivers who want premium recording quality without paying a premium price. It features 4K front recording, a 1080p rear backup camera, voice commands, a 10-inch touchscreen mirror, and includes a 32GB SD card right out of the box. Review highlights. For everyday commuting, this mirror dashcam delivers sharp daytime footage, reliable night recording, and easy operation. Voice commands make it safer to control while driving, and the included parking mode adds extra peace of mind when your vehicle is parked. Pros: crisp 4K front recording, voice control for hands-free operation, parking mode support, includes rear camera and 32GB SD card. Great value for everyday drivers. Number 4. T860 Plus Mirror Dashcam. The T860 Plus mirror dashcam stands out with its unique detached front camera, making installation much easier than traditional mirror dashcams. It records in 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution, includes GPS, WDR technology, 3x rear zoom, and comes with a 64GB memory card. Review highlights. Its flexible camera placement helps eliminate installation headaches while producing excellent image quality. The higher resolution rear camera offers noticeably better detail, making it easier to capture license plates and surrounding traffic. Pros: easy installation with detached front camera, 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, built-in GPS, 3x rear zoom for improved visibility, 64GB card included. Number 3. Pelsee P12 Pro Max. The Pelsee P12 Pro Max is designed for drivers who want premium safety features alongside outstanding video quality. It combines a StarVis 2 IMX678 front sensor with a 2.5K rear camera, plus advanced features including ADAS, blind spot detection, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and an included OBD hardwire kit, and a 128GB card. Review highlights. Its Sony StarVis 2 sensor produces excellent low-light footage, while the intelligent safety features help improve driver awareness. Combined with fast wireless connectivity and premium image quality, it's an outstanding choice for demanding users. Pros: Sony StarVis 2 sensor with exceptional night recording, 4K front and Full HD rear camera, voice control support, ADAS safety features, reliable wireless connectivity, OBD hardwire kit and 128GB card included. Number 2. Pelsee S12 Pro Camera. The Pelsee S12 Pro offers an impressive combination of premium hardware and smart driving technology. It features a StarVis 2 image sensor, 4K front recording, 1080p rear camera, ADAS, voice control, color night vision, and high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Review highlights. Drivers consistently appreciate its outstanding night performance, responsive voice controls, and advanced driver assistance features. It's one of the best balanced mirror dashcams for everyday driving and long-distance travel. Pros: StarVis 2 sensor with exceptional night recording, 4K front and Full HD rear camera, voice control support, ADAS safety features, reliable wireless connectivity. Number 1. WOLFBOX G850 Camera. The WOLFBOX G850 earns the top spot thanks to its outstanding blend of video quality, smart features, and overall reliability. It offers 4K front recording, a 1080p rear camera, voice control, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, WDR technology, and includes a 64GB memory card. Review highlights. The G850 consistently delivers excellent image quality in both daytime and nighttime conditions. Its responsive touchscreen, dependable voice controls, stable wireless connection, and easy-to-use interface make it one of the most complete mirror dashcams currently available. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing video quality, night performance, smart features, ease of installation, reliability, and overall value, the WOLFBOX G850 Mirror Dashcam is the best overall mirror dashcam of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.